All right. Okay, so I had already filmed a video for you guys for today, but I wasn't satisfied with it. I even edited the video. I just didn't like it. So I'm here on Valentine's Day, bringing you guys another video. I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see, and most of you said that you want to see a bold eye. We're gonna do a bold eye, maybe even a bold lip. I don't know, but we'll see what happens when it goes down. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm actually going to be focusing on these shades right here, and probably even this guy right here for my brow bone. And then the other thing I'm going to use is this tape. I haven't used tape for a look in a while. I really want to extend that eye out a little bit. So what I like to do is take a little piece of tape, put it on the back of my hand, and then take it off, and then put it in one more time, just so the tackiness is not as harsh. Because once it sits on the face, when you try to peel it, it's like, it hurts. In order to measure where I want this, I kind of go under the lash, extend it where the tail of my brow would go if it went all the way down. This is a mood. So the first one I'm going to go in is with ring light. This one is going to be on my brow bone. And then my next shade is going to be this hot pink one, which is called Skip. This one is going to be the star of the show. So we want this to really pop up. And for that, I'm going to use this 221 synthetic brush by MAC. And then bring it all the way into this inner corner here. If you go over the tape, it's fine. Okay, and that color that I was particularly looking for is this one here. This is called I'm Into It, and this one is by MAC. So this one I'm going to use to pack all over the lid. And when you're doing this, just trust what you're doing. I know it looks a little crazy at the beginning, but just keep going. And then bring it out like if you were doing a wing. Bring it out into that tape. The tape is your best friend right now. Okay, so obviously we have two totally different colors. One is super dark and one is super poppy, like very vibrant. So we have to find a middleman. For that, I'm actually going back into the palette. So I'm going to use Love That, which is this one right here. All right, so for some odd reason, my camera stopped recording, but I put liner and lashes on, and I satisfyingly took off the tape, but you guys missed it. Ugh. Okay, so I think I went a little too crazy on the bold eye. I'm just going to use the Studio Fix powder to remove any excess powder. Okay, so I have no idea what happened because my camera was saying that it was recording, but it was also saying that it was overheating, so I don't know where and when it went wrong. But here you can see me removing any excess airspun loose powder that I used to prevent any fallout while I was doing my under eye. And this powder, you can actually get it at Walgreens. It's like $6. And then add some mascara on the bottom lash. Alright. For my inner corner, I'm actually going to use Top Yacht from Tarte. So I put a good generous amount. And I think I want to bring it up a notch or two. And I have these liquid glitters here. I don't know which one to use. Mermaid-esque. So I think I want to mix these two, which will probably give me this. I just like to complicate my life a little bit. The cool thing about these glitters is that they're liquid, so you don't have any fallout from any glitter or the hassle of like putting on glitter. And we're gonna add a little bit of this one. Alright. Every time I'm done with my eyes, I start to just like loosen up a little bit. I feel like this part of the makeup portion is like really stressful for me. I don't know why, but once I'm done with the eyes, then the face is like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. For bronzer, I'm going to use Give Me Sun. This one is the Mineral Skin Finish by MAC. Give me some color back into the face. And then for blush, I'm actually going to dip into these colors that I used. So I'll probably dip into this one here. Very, very, very small amount. I will probably mess this up. So what I'll do is tap into it and then top off any of the excess and then go for it. For a highlight, I want to switch things up a little bit, so I'm going to use this one here. This one is the Soft Frost Extra Dimension. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a little more on the purple side. Then I'll use a little bit of that top Yacht from Tarte, kind of like a topper. That way it gives me a little bit more of that highlight. So we got a lot going on, and I think I'm gonna go with like a juicy wet lip. Okay, so I'm gonna use Oak Lip Liner by MAC, and then I'm gonna use the 535 Matte Purely Nude by Maybelline. And then to top it off, I'm gonna use the Vivid Hot Liqueur by Maybelline, and this one is in the shade Tease. I don't know if I like that of a nude. Let's try Spice Lip Liner. And then we're gonna do Faux Lipstick by MAC. Let's try Obviously Bare Lip Gloss. Let's do it one more time. Last try. My last option is, wow. I mean, what the heck? I was gonna say Thanksgiving. I've never done this before, but hey, do for the vine. So this concludes our video for today. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you all enjoy your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did say I was gonna announce the winner today, but I actually extended the giveaway for next week because I'm not that big of a YouTube deal. Like, I thought, you know, I'm gonna give these people 1 week. No, it doesn't work that way. I am not that famous. So I'm giving you guys another week to enter, but those of you who did enter, I did give you guys an extra entry because y'all did your part. So you guys are the real MVPs here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.